Give me chicken for me. Give me chicken. I want chicken. I want chicken. Give me chicken. Give me chicken. Give me chicken. Give me chicken. Leave closet.
哇，香辣蟹！
这也叫香辣蟹。天天吃辣椒，早晚屁股开胖。Shut your mind!
对。
Shut your mind!
我是我们村上最能吃辣椒的，你们信吗？给它沾点辣椒，拌起来，开吃喽！比起猪头，我还是喜欢吃辣椒的。今天我们就吃米饭，太清淡了吧？早就给你准备好啦。吃饱了吗？饱了。那我只能自己吃了。哇，香辣蟹！
这也叫香辣蟹。
Titan to summon the Kraken.
You're just jealous you didn't think of it first.
Oh yeah, I'm so jealous.
When the Kraken comes, you'll be the first one I tell him to visit.
Ooh, I'm so scared. And by the way, you look like Hagrid.
She'll be sorry. Alright, I'm gonna try it one last time. Release the Kraken! Stupid Kraken. You can stay in the briny deep for all I care.
Where's your Kraken summoning costume? Huh? I don't know. So, did the old Kraken ever get released?
Nah, he's probably too busy right now to be making personal appearances in swimming pools.
Keep telling yourself that, honey.
You'll see. You'll all pay.
We'll all pay? Who else are you talking about?
I don't know. Dad, I'm sure you did something wrong. Jillian, did you hear that?
Yeah, any chance that was your stomach growling?
No, I was hoping it was yours.
Well, if it's not your stomach and it's not my stomach, then what is it?
Let's get into the window.
Octopus.
Ah, I released the Kraken!
Arisa
Ah, I released the Kraken!
Arisa Kraken.
Addie, I told you something like this would happen.
No, you didn't. You actually made fun of me for even trying.
Let's not argue over who said what. You summoned the Kraken, so you can just unsummon him.
But I wanted him to do my bidding and wreak vengeance upon mine enemies.
Fine, but after he's done, you have to promise to send him back to the Netherworld.
He doesn't come from the Netherworld. He hails from the shores of Norway.
Same difference. Just have him do his thing and then send him on his way.
Fine. Gee, he's a lot bigger than I thought.
How small did you think a Kraken was going to be?
I'm having second thoughts about this whole smiting my enemies thing. Someone could get hurt.
Gee, you think so?
Hi, Mr. Kraken.
His friends call him Squidward Maximus.
It was nice of you to show up so promptly, but there's been some kind of mistake. You can go now. So if you just leave, we can forget about who summoned who. We'll just forget this ever happened.
What do you know? He actually listened to you.
Remind me to tell Dad to clean out the pool filter.
So, Addie, you look pretty scared when that Kraken showed up.
Who, me? Nah, I wasn't scared.
Really?
I mean, he's so big, it's not like he can get into our house or anything. He got into the house, didn't he?
Either that or it's some other Kraken unrelated to this one.
Ah! The Kraken never left!
The cracker fake.
How did he get in the house, Addie? You said he was too big to get in the house.
Boneless creatures can fit into all sorts of things. They're basically liquids.
Well, what should we do?
Why are you asking me?
Because you're the one who summoned him.
Oh yeah.
It says here that the Kraken can't be defeated.
I know what we're gonna do.
Great, what?
We'll run and hide.
Thanks a lot. Wait a minute. If the Kraken can't be defeated, then what's the one thing that it fears most?
The 1972 Miami Dolphins?
No, if the Kraken can't be defeated, then all we need is another Kraken to scare it away.
Oh yeah, let me just go out to the pool and summon another one up from the briny deep.
No, that's what got us into this mess. We just need him to think there's another Kraken.
How are we gonna do that?
Follow me. All right, Kraken, we have someone on our side.
Why don't you reflect upon this? Ah, he's not so easily duped. Saw right through that plan. Well, actually saw his reflection, but you know what I mean.
And you're the one who made that bad pun. Reflect upon this. No wonder he wasn't fooled.
So what do we do now?
I still think the idea of getting another Kraken is a sound one. We just need something more convincing.
You mean like getting another actual Kraken? Come on, you know I'm good for it.
No, I have a better plan. Come on.
Jillian, where'd you get these costumes on such short notice?
Amazon drone delivery.
And why do I have to be a Kraken too?
Because that makes it 2 against 1. When he sees we've teamed up against him, he'll have to leave.
Yeah, he's not leaving. He's more like, what's the word, staying.
Hey, Kraken! This was our territory first. Go somewhere else.
And he's still not leaving.
Maybe he thinks we're fellow overworked Krakens just trying to unionize.
Oh, he's from where I work safe!
Wait, where did your costume go?
I don't know, probably the same place yours went. So what's your third idea?
What do you mean, third idea?
Isn't that the pattern here? We try 2 things that fail and then the third one always works?
Oh yeah, I hadn't noticed that. You think we just start with the third idea?
So anything else on the web?
It's funny that you mention the web. There's a creature called the Web Kraken.
Web Kraken? What's that?
It's a Kraken-like creature that was invented by the same guy who came up with Siren Head.
Wait, Siren Head's not real? Anyway, how does one defeat a Web Kraken?
They're undefeatable too.
Great, there goes my summer vacation.
Wait, it says here that Perseus used the head of Medusa to defeat the original Kraken.
Medusa?
Lady with snakes for hair, mere sight of her can turn you to stone. You know.
So the Kraken is defeatable. Any chance you can order one of those Medusa heads on Amazon?
I'm way ahead of you. Dang it, they're out.
I have another idea that just might work.
Let's do it then.